Hello everyone, Paul Huber here for Nissan of Cool Springs. I'd like to welcome all of our minivan shoppers today. Thanks for dropping in to check out our video. We certainly hope that it's helpful in the search for your next vehicle. Today we are looking at a 2016 Honda Odyssey Touring. This pre-owned minivan is in excellent condition. It is a local trade with a clean Carfax and it has about 53,000 miles. External features include chrome trim, alloy wheels, and power side view mirrors. As we look inside, we see that it has a power moonroof and it has a leather interior that is gray in color, and it has heated front and bucket seats along with second and third row bench seats to accommodate 8 passengers. As we look up front, we see that this Odyssey has a very nice selection of convenience and electronics and safety items as well. Those features include a premium audio system with SiriusXM radio, plus it has remote controlled power sliding doors on both sides of the vehicle. It has Bluetooth for use with your cell phone, in addition to GPS navigation and backup camera, as well as DVD entertainment system. Give us a call at 615-224-8314 today and we'll set up a time for your test drive. We look forward to seeing you here at Nissan of Cool Springs, home of the lifetime warranty, and it's also where we make minivan shopping easy and affordable. Nissan of Cool Springs is proud to announce an easier way to get financing for your next vehicle purchase. Just text the word COOL to 96300 and get pre-approved today.